This is amazing. Today on the 23rd of January 2024 we have Bredantie, Bredantie 6, stack is F, and we'll also check the stacks as G and H here. Only these three have elevators in this building. The rest of the stacks were made to don't have any elevators, so it was built by Valmet in 1984, turning 40 years old this year in 2024. This year Bredantie is 6651. Capacity is 4%, 325 grams, and has this beautiful green main floor bottom for the street level, or combined basement floor and street level. Let's take to right here. This might be the beginning of 1984.
Yeah.
Men ser en Kauniainen kanankurva, SGS Post Regional som är helt fina. It orders a bit fast. Oops.
Is built by Lift Control Finland and maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus. No memory. It just has in-use lights, so it doesn't have memory.
Okay. Yeah, then it's simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't need it.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Let's go to the staircase. G and H.
That's